Hey there, you're about to watch a quick clip from Marketing O'Clock, your friendly neighborhood digital marketing news podcast with new episodes every Friday. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us here on YouTube or look for Marketing O'Clock wherever you listen to your podcasts. Tweet from our ads liaison, Ginny Marvin, on February 23rd. She has a thread here with some exciting PMAX updates, and she made a point to say, thank you for your feedback. So they've clearly been listening to our cries. And interestingly enough, I talked about our marketing talk that we have with Mike Ryan that is available to listen to now. We recorded that a couple days before these announcements came out. And many of these things were on our wish list for what we would want for PMAX to improve it. So
did you have a crystal ball?
I think Ginny was just got an advanced recording or hacked our Zoom account or something. I mean, these were all fully original ideas that nobody had said before in the past.
I can't tell if you're joking.
Okay, so the biggest one, and she has a drum emoji because this deserves a drum roll. She says campaign level brand exclusions for branded queries or search and shopping inventory. Campaign level brand exclusions will apply to most misspellings and brand searches in a foreign language. And then she links to a blog post that explains this a little bit more in depth. And you should notice here that she does not say negative keywords. So this is not live yet. Nobody knows what this is going to look like yet. But it seems like it's not going to be a traditional negative keyword list that we're used to. From the article, it says applying these exclusions will help block traffic from most brand misspellings and brand searches in a foreign language. You'll be able to exclude your own brand name and choose from a list of brands to exclude. If any brands are missing from the list, you'll see an option in Google Ads to request additions. So again, we'll have to see what this looks like when it rolls out, but definitely better than what we have now, which is no exclusions.
Right. So let me try to poke holes in how this could fall apart. Let's say that you are a company, let's say Nike, right? And you're trying to not target people looking for a Pegasus running shoe or a trademarked term of theirs. If you can only put in Nike sporting equipment, Nike clothing, that Pegasus might not fall under there. So hopefully there's an ability to put in sub-brands or trademarked terms or things like that that are kind of like brand adjacent, I'd say.
That would be nice. I was just thinking about myself, and the basics would work for most of my accounts.
Yeah, for both of them. But if you've got like a tool that's got a code name, or it's a certain type of software that's made by a different company and the brand is locked in and you can't then take out that software term, that could be an issue.
Yeah. So we'll have to see what this looks like again when it rolls out. Mike Ryan tweeted an interesting point about this. He said, reminder, Google always understood the implications of brand performance inflation in PMAX. This document from May 2020, well before the hullabaloo in 2022. I'm really glad they're acknowledging and addressing it with brand exclusions for PMAX. So this is an article that says it's important to review all factors that can contribute to performance differences between your search and shopping campaigns, such as, and there's a list of 5 or 6 items here, and at the very top says brand versus non-brand campaigns. So whatever, I guess maybe we learned that if we whine enough, we'll get some change made.
Yes, and as much heck as we give Google sometimes, this is something we should be praising them for. Yes. They listened, and Ginny, we trust. Thank you,
Ginny. Thanks again for watching Marketing O'Clock. We'd love you forever. If you'd like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend. And don't forget, you can also catch our Famous Friday news show on your favorite podcast player every week.